Let's begin with the statistics for data science. So here in this series of modules, you're going to learn about two types of statistics. One is descriptive statistics and the second one is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics is the field of statistics which concerns with description and summarization of the data. And inferential statistics is the field of statistics which makes conclusion about the known data. So here in this module you're going to learn about descriptive statistics topics, various topics including in it, ranging from mean, median, mode, and etc. Then we will move to something called as a random variable, and then different types of random variable we will discuss about. One is discrete random variable and the second one is continuous random variable. So there are subtypes of these two random variables too. So then we will move discussing about the bounds on the probability, and we will learn about how to get a bound such that it cannot exceed that particular value. So there are some two inequalities which are derived from one another, which we can derive from each other. So one is known as Chebyshev's inequality and the second is Markov's inequality. Then there are different types of Chernoff's bounds, and we will learn about everything else, how things are exponentially grown, how the bound is exponentially grown by increasing number of some samples, so on. So this is the most intuitive topics which we are going to tackle. So then we will learn about some more precise bounds which we will learn in the something called as central limit theorem. So there is which is mostly deals with the Gaussian or normal distribution, which comes under the continuous random variables. So this continuous and random variable known as normal distribution, which relates every other distribution, either discrete random variable distribution or any other, using central limit theorem. So this is the power of central limit theorem which we're going to learn about. And the final topic is making the confidence intervals on any particular interval, how much we are confident about our probability that this probability must occur. So that's the most important topics that we're going to learn about, something called as movement generating function and different types of distribution. So these all calculations are must for analyzing the data. So we have to plot some data and visualize it on graph and determine which distribution it follows, then and so on. So these are all the topics which deals with the description of data and summarize it, and which is we're to learn about in a course, in a module called as descriptive statistics. So keep a pen and copy on your table. So keep enjoying learning statistics with me. I hope you will not tackle any problem while on this journey. So thank you so on.